looking for you. Staging lanes, please.
Okay, I'm gonna say it right now. Hemis always sound really friggin' good. This sounds a lot better than the Yukon we recently tested. And it's got a little rattle after it that just is so badass. And it sounds especially good from inside the cab when you're going full out.
Did you know that at the Fast Lane Car, TFL, we're not just about new car reviews. We've got movie cars, we've got classic cars, we've got all kinds of cool stuff on our brand new channel, TFL Classics. So check it out by clicking on the link above or by clicking on the link below, because I'm here in Volo, Illinois, checking out movie cars, and if you want to see the rest of this, you have to go to TFL Classics.
Aging instructions we go through. That lane, I believe, is like a Silverado Chevrolet. That's like, I will give you a brief digest way to describe it. It takes the average person.
Now, we're going to take care of another problem. When we first got this Raptor, we took it into the mountains and we just had a ball with it. But coming down back into town, we found that the brakes faded a lot. I pushed that pedal and it went all the way to the floor. So today we're going to upgrade the brakes on this Raptor thanks to our friends at AutoAnything.com. But before we upgrade them, we want to run a series of tests to see just how well it stops. All right, gang, we're going to find out how long it takes, how many feet it takes this Raptor in stock form with stock tires and stock brakes to stop from 60 to 0. I've got the brand new G-Tech mounted, which measures that distance. I'm going to hit the button for it to start. All right, and I'm just going to floor it, and then when I get to 60, I'm going to pour on the brakes as hard as I can. Here we go. All right, good takeoff. Oh, that engine sounds good.